Amazon to debut remarkable Alexa powered by Anthropic's Claude AI. Amazon is gearing up to release a new and powerful version of its Alexa voice assistant in October, which will be powered by Anthropic's Claude AI. This upcoming release, named Remarkable Alexa, comes at a crucial time when Amazon is struggling to maintain its place in the voice assistant market. While previous versions of Alexa were powered by Amazon's in-house AI technology, this will be the company's first venture into using different technology. So why is Amazon using Claude AI? Claude AI, an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Anthropic, is one of the most powerful AI models that come on par with OpenAI's GPT-4. Amazon's decision to use Claude AI comes from the shortcomings of its previous models, which were unresponsive and used to take 6 to 7 seconds to respond to a user's query. The delay seemed unacceptable for a next-generation voice assistant that's been competing with OpenAI's ChatGPT voice and Google's Gemini in the incredibly competitive and fast-evolving landscape for AI. Now here is what's new in Remarkable Alexa. The upcoming Remarkable Alexa is expected to be more than just a voice assistant. It aims to offer a more interactive experience by enabling users to give more complex commands. Now, users might ask Alexa to compose an email, order lunch, and set an alarm with a single command. Moreover, Amazon is also visualizing this new Alexa as a central smart home automation hub that will learn and adapt over time. While the Remarkable Alexa is coming with several new features, it appears that Amazon is planning to charge $5 and $10 per month for access. Currently, the service is completely free, therefore convincing its users to pay money for an upgrade could be a difficult task for Amazon. Despite the concerns, the company is optimistic that Remarkable Alexa capabilities will justify the subscription fee.